we acknowledge the presence of our representatives and owner of our contractors. We have Ms. Grace Ann S. Munoz of BGI Director. Good morning, ma'am. We have Ma'am Marites Pagunsan of AC Rivero. And we have also Sir Orlando Cerdito of Ornani Construction. Good morning, sir. now read the result of the financial documents. For contract ID 25G00142, Installation of solar pavement stands along Bacolod Circumferential Road S00097NR to K0003 plus negative 543 to K0009 plus 750 with an ABC amount of 19,600,000 pesos. AC Rivero Development Corporation, pass, bid amount 19,535,721 pesos and 45 centavos. 19,535,721 pesos and 45 centavos. No discount offered. For contract ID 25GO0143, installation of solar pavement stands along Bacolod North Road S00078NR to K0000 plus 000 to K0004 plus 267, ABC amount 49 million pesos. AC Rivero Development Corporation, pass, bid amount 48,834,053 pesos and 95 centavos. 48,834,053 pesos and 95 centavos. No discount offered. Based on the result, the lowest bid as read is AC Rivero Development Corporation with a bid amount equal to 48,834,053 pesos and 95 centavos. For contract ID 25GO0143. For contract ID 25GO0142, the lowest bid as read is Cubics 13 with a bid amount equal to 11,366,858 pesos and 58 centavos. For contract ID 25GO0144, installation of solar pavement stands along Bacolod South Road S00132NR to K0000 plus 000 to K0004 plus 085 with an ABC amount of 49 million pesos. AC Rivero Development Corporation, pass, bid amount 48,849,337 pesos and 46 centavos. 48,849,337 pesos and 46 centavos. No discount offered. So based on the result, the lowest bid as read is AC Rivero Development Corporation with a bid amount of 48,849,337 pesos and 46 centavos.
That is for contract ID.
For contract ID 25GO0144. For contract ID 25GO0145, construction, completion of multi-purpose building, Bacolod Museum, Barangay Tamo, Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. ABC amount, 86,850,000 pesos. AC Rivero Development Corporation, pass, bid amount, 86,657,417 pesos and 91 centavos. 86,657,417 pesos and 91 centavos. No discount offered. So based on the result for 25G00145, the lowest bid as read is Orani with a bid amount equal to 78,130,716 pesos and 98 centavos. For contract ID 25G00147, construction of multipurpose building in Barangay 32, Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. ABC amount 4,950,000 pesos. Contractor BGI Erector and Construction Supplies Trading. Pass. Bid amount 4,942,803 pesos and 98 centavos. 4,942,803 pesos and 98 centavos. No discount offered. So based on the result, for 25G00147, we have BGI Erector with a bid amount equal to 4,942,803 pesos and 98 centavos. For contract ID 25G00148, construction of multipurpose building in Bacolod City, Negros Occidental with an ABC amount of 9,900,000 pesos. Name of contractor, AC Rivero Development Corporation. Pass. Bid amount 9,849,968 pesos and 75 centavos. 9,849,968 pesos and 75 centavos. No discount offered. So based on the result for 25G00148, we have a lone bidder, AC Rivero Development Corporation, with a bid amount equal to 9,849,968 pesos and 75 centavos. And last, contract ID 25G00153, concreting Barangay Vista Alegre FMR, Barangay Vista Alegre, Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, with an ABC amount of 14,925,000 pesos. Name of contractor, AC Rivero Development Corporation. Pass. Bid amount 14,893,591 pesos and 90 centavos. 14,893,591 pesos and 90 centavos. The discount offered is 120,000 pesos from our bid amount. 120,000 pesos from our bid amount. So based on the result for 25G00153, the lowest bid as read is AC Rivero Development Corporation with a bid amount equal to 14,773,591 pesos and 90 centavos. Please be informed that the lowest bid as read will be subjected to post-qualification. I would like to ask the committee if there are any comments or clarifications from our visitors. Any clarifications first? None. None. So if there is none, the opening will be is now adjourned. Thank you and happy weekend ahead. Good morning, everyone.
God bless.
God bless.